you will paste all the flaps, the side ones. In this model, they look normally whiter or white. The flaps. Always, when you glue something, try to make it look like it will look in the end. If you know if an earpiece, you will fold it to be more organic and not so straight. Here and then that one. Normally you will work a lot faster and stopping every time to try to explain things, but once you get the gist of it, you will work really, 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 really faster than this. Now look at this part, and then finally we will be attaching this one. This part here doesn't look good. In fact, if it will be 3D, it won't look good. But it doesn't matter because there will be a hair coming from here, so it doesn't actually care much about it. The change of color that is quite notable. No mesa. uh, okay, more or less you should have the shape of the hair. No. Mm. Let's take the body. You can choose how you want to let it to look. Then add the glue, just in the sides, or before or after, whatever suits you. You know, you're free. Okay. Now yes, let's add the head, putting glue inside this, or in the neck, as always, whatever suits you. Now it's time to decide where she will be looking. Once it glues, like right now, you can adjust it. But if your paper is thick enough, you can leave that one without glue, and so you can move the head whatever you want. I used to have a friend called Proofing Rare Society. Took a lot of photos of the models. They are great, and she always did that. She never glued this, so could move it up all around as needed for the photos. Now, this is the right moment to try to glue. Así, the eyepiece. First, you will put it like this, trying angles, and when you feel like it's alright, you will actually glue it. How? Putting glue inside and all over the head